Morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you're all doing okay. It is Saturday today and it's actually really early, it's like 9:30, but I've just been filming a clip for a video that I'm putting together, which is quite exciting actually. Should I tell you about it? Yeah, I can, yeah. So I'm actually entering the competition, but by the time this video goes up, it'll be closed, so it's fine. But yeah, I'm entering a competition for a brand ambassador for the Maya Jama face mask collection. So it's quite exciting actually. If you don't know, she has a face mask brand, and the brand ambassador role is for aspiring presenters, which, hello, that is I. And what the role entails is you'll be doing interviews with people, hosting events and doing product reviews, and it just sounds like a dream job. So yeah, I'm entering that. So I've just done a video this morning. I also need to do an interview. The brief is like interview someone about self-care and how to stay sane in 2021. So that's what I've been doing this morning, and on Monday I'm going to interview my sister over Zoom about self-care. So yeah, it's quite exciting. I'm very nervous as well because obviously there's so many people entering, and let's not dwell, it's fine, it's okay. Anyway, so this morning I'm now going to go for a walk and get a coffee. Like I said, it's really early, it's like 9:30, so it's actually probably a good time to go because there's not going to be many people around, so I think it should be pretty quiet. And yeah, the rest of the afternoon, not got too many plans because, you know, national lockdown and all, but I'm probably going to do just a bit of like content planning for the week. And I mean, that's probably it really. Tomorrow is food shop day, cleaning day. It's all very exciting, but yeah, I thought I would take you along with me this weekend because I haven't done a vlog for a while. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get ready for my walk now and get to my coffee. I might even get a pastry as well actually. Yeah, I'm gonna get a pastry. I'm back from my walk and very windswept. Oh, thin hair people, you will understand the pain of trying to brush through your hair after you've been somewhere where it's windy, because I just feel like it snaps. It's horrible. Anyway, I had such a nice little walk. It's actually quite warm outside as well. It's been really nice this week. It's not sunny. I mean, it's been sunny a couple of days and we've had like sunny intervals, but for the most part it's pretty cloudy and it's been raining a bit. But I just think the fact that it's a little bit warmer really raises your spirits like big time, because I am getting so sick of this lockdown, and I don't really like to talk about that too much or complain, because I have it very lucky, you know, being at home and nothing changes for me. I'm still working and Dan's here too, so things are really good in that regard, so I don't like to complain. But I think, yeah, this lockdown just hits differently, doesn't it? I think it's because we've gone through the winter whilst being in lockdown, whereas the first time you had the element of it being new and not really knowing what to expect, and also we were going into the warmer months then, it was the end of winter, whereas this time around we know exactly what to expect and it's just been dark, miserable, cold. So yeah, just not great, is it? So yeah, I'm very glad to be seeing some nicer weather. I think it really cheers people up a bit. So yeah, had a really nice time, and it's now just after 1, and I really don't know what to do with myself the rest of the day. I think I'm going to take some pictures, do a bit of like content and stuff this afternoon, but that's not really going to take too long. So yeah, I don't really know what else to do. Okay, I'm going to Asda because we don't have any food. It's supermarket day tomorrow, so we are not with food in the apartment. So I'm gonna go and get some lunch. I think we're also gonna make a lasagna for dinner tonight, which I'm very excited about. I haven't had one for the longest time because I don't eat meat, and I'm also not a big fan of aubergines, and I feel like that is the thing that you use in a veggie lasagna. But I've recently started trying a bit of fake meat. I wasn't really that bothered at first because I've just not really felt the need to replace it, but lasagna is something that I really like, and we've tried a couple of like vegan burgers and that kind of thing, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna make a lasagna tonight. But I thought I'd show you my outfit before I go, because I have managed to sneak a leather jacket on just because it's a bit warmer today and I'm very excited about it. So here's my little Asda chic look. I've also got my little, this is like a big Zara tote bag that I've got, but it's just handy for when I'm nipping to the supermarket. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get a few things, kill a bit of time, you know, and when I come back, I'm gonna make a lasagna. I'm so excited. Know where today has gone, and I'm so tired as well. I actually didn't end up doing any of the things that I wanted to do in terms of like content creating and taking any pictures or basically anything. I ended up FaceTiming my sister for a couple of hours, which was really nice. So I'm gonna do all that kind of stuff tomorrow. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, I'm so tired now. So we're about to start making the dinner, and we're having the lasagna that I was talking about earlier on. So I ended up getting a meat-free mince from the supermarket, and it looks so spooky. I'm actually gonna move you because I'm in a very uncomfortable position and the lighting's a bit weird. Okay, I've sat down at the kitchen table. So this is the mince that I ended up picking up from the supermarket. It looks so scary. Very, very spooky. I stopped eating meat maybe like 3 years ago, so it's been a while, but I've never felt the need to replace it really, because I stopped eating it because I just never felt like it really settled very well, and I didn't eat it often enough either, so I just didn't really miss it. And then the less I ate, the more I felt weird when I did eat it, so I just cut it out altogether, and I never felt the need to have like meat replacements in anything. I still eat, oh god, I hit my hand on the side of the table. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I still eat fish, so yeah, I don't really feel like I miss out on anything. But we've had a couple of meals recently where it would be nice to have some kind of meat in there, and Dan still eats meat as well, so it's just been easier to try a meat replacement, which I haven't minded at all. It's good to have a few more options. So I've tried a couple recently, and yeah, I don't mind them. They're definitely a little bit strange, and I'm not sure how I feel about having a lot of soy, but I really don't eat that much of it for it to be an issue, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, this is a mix actually. So this is soy protein and pea protein. And I think there was something else in there as well. Was it rice or? And rice proteins as well, which I've not heard of. I didn't know that was a thing. But yeah, so I'll give this a try. It looks absolutely terrifying. Oh. So I'm gonna start this now. I think we should have actually started this a couple of hours ago. I didn't really realize how long it took to cook, but the day has just like absolutely flown by. So yeah, it's like 6 o'clock now. So I'm gonna start this and hopefully it turns out nice. The dinner was so good. So good. Made all my lasagna dreams come true. Yeah, so now I'm going to go and get ready for bed because I'm so tired. I feel bad complaining because Dan was slaving over the oven for like an hour and a half, but I'm so tired. I think getting up at like 6:30, which is, it's not that early. I mean, could be worse, could have gotten up at like 5 or something, but yeah, just getting up at that time and then doing a bit of filming, going for a walk, and then FaceTime my sister. It's just taking it out of me. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready for bed, and then we're going to watch the latest episode of WandaVision, and then probably fall asleep. Good morning guys, happy Sunday. Another day, another grey jumper. I've just cleaned all of the apartment this morning and Dan has been to do the food shop, so I'm feeling very productive. Like I've really got my shit together this morning. I love doing all of that on a Sunday because I feel like it just sets you up for the week nicely. So I'm gonna go make myself a coffee now and just chill out for a few minutes before I start some more work for the day. It's also very mild. Some would say warm today. I was getting a real sweat on whilst I was doing the cleaning. So yeah, I'm quite happy about that, although it's still a little bit muggy outside. I'm also wearing the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base as my moisturiser today, and I mentioned this in the video that actually it's just gone live now. That's reminded me I need to post about that on my Instagram because that will have just gone live. But it is the Get Ready With Me, which is basically last week's video if you're watching this now. So yeah, I'm wearing that because it's an oil-free moisturiser and I wanted to give it a try because I've mentioned before that I always just have an oily face and it's very annoying. So I'm trying this out today as a moisturiser to see if it looks any different at the end of the day, and then if it does, then I know that maybe the next moisturiser I should get an oil-free one. So yeah, doing a bit of a test today. But anyway, I'm gonna go make a coffee now before I start some more jobs for the day. Lunchtime. I don't really know what to have. I've got some like half a thing of halloumi here. I might have that. And anyone else's food cupboards as much of a mess as mine? So at the moment I am just trying to do a little bit of work. I've also noticed my face is looking very shiny again. I don't think the thing is working that I was talking about this morning, but I am sat directly under some like little spotlights, which makes it 10 times worse, so I'm gonna move. Anywho, I've kind of been having a little bit of a rethink over the past few days, like nothing too big, but basically my schedule was gonna be a fashion undressed every month, which is something that I do on Instagram, and then a Natasha Presents, which would be like a more longer form informative thing that I sort of present in a way which gets uploaded on YouTube. I'm going to rethink those a little bit because we are in a lockdown at the moment, as you know, and I can't really go outside and film anywhere, so it's literally the same setup in every video that I would be doing, which is me sat on this sofa here with the print and the light behind me, and I feel like people probably don't just want to listen to me talk. I think it needs to be a bit more visually interesting. The Hygge video that I did is a good example of this because this was one of the Natasha Presents projects. Yeah, they will basically all end up looking the same if I carry on doing them at the moment. So what I'm gonna do is hold off on the ones that are hopefully educational and informative, and wait until I can sort of make those a bit more visually interesting. Yeah, I don't think that'll be too long away because hopefully we'll be out of a lockdown soon enough. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do in the meantime is make videos that are based on maybe like fashion and beauty, because the things that I'm interested in are like fashion, beauty and like culture as well. And I think the cultural ones rely on maybe being out and about and getting more interesting footage, whereas the ones that are fashion beauty based, they're ones that I can do at home and make them more interesting, because obviously that involves things that I have, like clothes and beauty products and that kind of thing. So I think I'm gonna alter the Natasha Presents a little bit for a while, and yeah, make some kind of videos that involve more of that sort of thing, but still in a way that I sort of present them, and they're just a little bit more of an informative video that is a bit more high budget, if you like, rather than me just informally chatting to you or doing a haul, that kind of thing. Yeah, that's about it really. So I'm gonna carry on with that for a while, do a bit of work, and then I think I'm going to sort some drawers out that have got all my loungewear stuff in them, because they are a disgrace and they need tidying just as soon as possible, because I literally can't even open them. So I think I'm gonna come back to that in a little bit. Taken about 2 hours, but I finally made a new channel banner. Ugh, what a pain that was. Done. Luckily that didn't take too long. It was just a matter of kind of refolding things. I mean, there's really nothing interesting to show in here, but I've just got sort of leggings, and I've got joggers in the drawer below, and then here I've just got like t-shirts and a couple of jumpers that are more like loungewear kind of things. I'm not going to show you the bottom drawer because it's just like pajamas and stuff, but yeah, nice and tidy. So I finished with dinner. We had a very indulgent meal again this evening. We had burgers, and I think we're just really enjoying the fact that there is this new revelation of me enjoying the fake meat. So yeah, we're really milking that this weekend. Also, sorry if you can hear the kettle in the background. I'm just about to make some tea. But yeah, so I'm gonna get myself ready for bed, and we are watching Money Heist. We actually started this like last spring, or Dan did anyway, and then I kind of joined in halfway through because I really liked it, and I just really liked the fact that it was Spanish as well. It made me really miss holidays and going to Spain. I love Spain. So yeah, that was kind of my motivation for watching it, but we picked that up again because we never finished it. We sort of watched a little bit into season 2 and then we just stopped watching it. So probably doesn't really sound like we enjoyed it that much, but we're gonna give it another go anyway and see what happens. But yeah, so I'm gonna sign the vlog off here. Oh, I'm also really near to 100 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed already, then please do. And if you are a subscriber, then thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. It really does mean a lot. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So I'm gonna sign off the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!